Everyone is talking about AI, but you're not sure how to use it. Here are 4 ways service-based businesses are using Claude right now, saving hours every week, bringing in more revenue with no tech skills needed. Watch what one Monday morning looks like. 7 a.m., you used to open your laptop to a ton of unread emails. Now, Claude's already triaged them. It gives you 3 priority replies, 2 deadlines, and 1 overdue invoice. Your day's overview is waiting right next to your coffee. You start your day knowing exactly what matters. 9 a.m., a new client needs a quote. There's data in a PDF, a spreadsheet, and a Word doc. You used to lose an hour pulling it all together. Now you drop them in, and Claude generates one clean, branded quote ready to send. 10 a.m., 3 clients are waiting for you to respond. Now Claude drafts every reply in your voice using their history and their context. You glance, tweak, and send. An hour of work done in 7 minutes. By noon, your custom integrated CRM has logged every conversation, flagged who's gone cold, and surfaced 2 new leads most likely to close this week. No data entry, a pipeline that runs itself. Run the math on just one of these. Let's say 45 minutes saved 10 times a week at $30 an hour. That's $225 every week. Nearly $12,000 a year. And that's just one task. That's not 3 hours saved. That's a different business. Want this set up for you? Book your AI audit at arlina.ai to see what automation can do for your business.